Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Code with Money. In this video, I will give the explanation about conditional statements in Python, and the video will be posted in YouTube channel. I am giving the channel link in below. And the Python conditional statements are used to check the conditions and execute a block of code based on the condition evaluates true or false. Let's check with an example. So jump into my screen. Let's start with if statement. Take a variable age and assign the value 22. Put the condition age greater than 22, print you are eligible for vote. If age greater than 20, print. Here the condition is age greater than 20, print eligible for vote, and here we give the age value is 22. So let's save and run the code. It prints eligible for vote. So here the condition age greater than 20 is true. The age is 22. So 22 greater than 20. Take a variable age and assign the value 20. Put the condition if age greater than 20, print eligible for vote. Else print not eligible for vote. Here we give the age value is 20. The first condition is if age greater than 20, 20 greater than 20. If it becomes true, it prints eligible for vote. Else it prints not eligible for vote. Let's save and run the code. It prints not eligible for vote because here the condition age greater than 20 is false, because 20 greater than 20 is false. Elif, we know Elif is used to check multiple conditions. Let's go with an example. Take a variable marks and take the input from the user. Int of input of and put the conditions. If marks greater than 90, print grade A. So grade A. Elif marks greater than or equals to 80 and marks less than 90. Print grade B. Elif marks greater than 70, greater than or equals to 70, and marks less than 80. Print grade C. else print failed. Here marks is the variable and int of input of enter marks is the input from the user. The if condition checks marks greater than 90. If the marks greater than 90, it prints grade A. Elif, if the if block fails, it go for second elif. So marks greater than or equals to 80 and marks less than 90. If the condition is true, it prints grade B, or else it go for next elif. If elif marks greater than or equals to 70 and marks less than 80. If the condition is true, it prints grade C. If these three conditions are failed, it prints failed. Let's save and run the code. Enter the marks. I am entering the marks as 95. It prints grade A. Check with another input. I am entering the marks as 66. It prints failed because here these conditions are failed. So it go for else block and print failed. This is about elif. Nested if. We know nested if means placing an if condition inside another if condition. Let's check with an example. Take a variable n and take the input from the user. Int of input of enter n. Here the condition is if n greater than or equals to 0 and another if n equals to 0, print 0. Else print positive. Write the else block for this if block. Else print negative. Let's save and run the code. Enter the n value as 0. It prints 0. Let's check with another input. Enter the n value as 5. It prints 5. Let's check with a negative number. Enter n as -5. It prints negative. This is all about the nested if. And this is all about the conditional statements in Python. In our next video, I will show you how to check the given number is even number or odd number, and how to check the given number is prime number or not. For more information on daily content, follow our channel Code with Money. See you in the next video.